Hello, hi everyone, it's Sam here with you presenting you the making of a DIY stationery organizer from these toys. So this is a toy cycle and a toy truck, and these are absolutely simple plastic toys with no weight, like literally no weight. So let's start this project by spray painting them as brown. Finally, I got thick coating of brown paint on these toys. Don't worry if you literally find any unsprayed spots, because they will be covered later on. And now I'm trying to place them on a wooden sheet, and I'm trying to check their position, and with this wooden sheet is the base of this project, you can say. So to give an antique and glowy look to these things, I'm going to make a special paint. So recipe of this paint is 10:2:5. 10 parts of the acrylic paint, 2 parts of golden glitter glue, and 5 parts of granulated glitter, and mix them very well so it would look like this. It would be glowy, glittery. I mean, this recipe is my best recipe, trust me. Now I have started painting the base. I will paint everything, the cycle, the truck, but gently and roughly, randomly. Like, do not cover the whole area of cycle and truck with the paint, just in some parts, just to give it a rough look. And this is granulated, but when it will be dry, you'll feel the granules rubbing against your fingers. It's not smooth, it's rough texture. Now let the truck and cycle and everything to dry, and now I'm making these paper sticks and trying to roll them on the tissue paper roll. So these are leftover tissue paper rolls. I just cut them into small pieces so that I can paste them on this, stick them on the stationery organizer. So just keep looking how I do it. Now when it was fully dried, I stick them on the board with hot glue gun. Here I am going to make a diluted glue. I'm going to mix like glue and water in 1:1 ratio. So with this diluted mixture, I will gently stick tissue paper on these rolls for more texture and more, fine look, because I'm going to give them a shape of a barrel. So keep watching how I do it. So I'm using glue, water and tissue paper. After these rolls were fully dried, now I'm spray painting them as brown. As you can see, the paint is completely dried, and now I'm going to use a jute rope on these rolls to give them the shape of a barrel, and later on I will stick these barrels on the board as pencil holders or pen holders. Here I'm using golden acrylic paint roughly and randomly, just for a more glow, just to expose the texture and just for a more decorative look. Now I'm moving towards the final step of this project, which is the making of pencil shaving mixture. So this is a very special mixture. First, with this pencil sharpener, I'm getting these pencil shavings. So with these pencil shavings, I'm using white glue in 1:1 ratio, like one part of this pencil shavings and one part of white glue. And this paint which I made earlier, I'm going to use just a pinch of this paint, a pinch of glitter, and a pinch of glitter glue in this pencil shaving mixture. So mix everything all together. Make sure the ratio of glue and mixture should be 1:1. And one more thing just to mention here, I never get these kind of shavings with normal pencil sharpener. It never works for me. These kind of pencil shavings can only be achieved with the pencil shaving machine. I mean, not with the small sharpener. Now you can see the consistency of this pencil shaving mixture, and randomly and roughly spread it all over, and it will give more rough look, like a roughness around the barrels and an old muddy truck and a muddy cycle, and giving an antique look to this whole project. And finally, thank you so much. Wait for the final look. And thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and sharing, and for your appreciations. Thank you so much.
Wow.